No, don't bite. No bite. Don't bite it. No, no, Quill. No, look. No, Quill. Quill, I hate to scruff you, but you're a lunatic. Look. No, you just lick it. Just lick it, Quill. Quill. Really, Quill. Now look what you did. Look, here. Oh God, you're just a crazy cat. Look, slowly. Quill, you're not dying. Jesus. Okay, now look, Quill, slowly. I don't want it to turn into a colander. God dang it. Here. You don't have to make this a sieve. Quill, this is just a horrible experience with you. Only one I've seen that's worse is the little trout cat here. Yeah, it's everywhere. Look it up. Okay, here. Oh, it's gonna rain. No, don't bite me, Quill. Oh, jeez. Okay, look. Lick it off, but don't bite. Look, there's more. It's everywhere. It's just absolutely everywhere, Quill. I'm gonna use you for my napkin. Oh, jeez, Quill. Oh, you make a good napkin, though. You're nice and soft. It's gone. Yeah, really, it's gone. Now you just got shit food now. Oh, God. Oh, my God, Quill. Boy. You gonna eat all of that? Really? Oh. Trying to rain. Had a good drone flight between little rain showers. You're lucky I brought a lot today. Quill is definitely not a picky eater. And that's why she's fat. That's why she's fat. Yeah, we are good friends. Yeah, we are really good friends. Really good. Yep. Well, she's all healed up from her being spayed, and her hair's all grown back, and now she's just a fine specimen of a cat. Yes, I know. When you finish that, you can have a snooze on my lap, because I have an hour to kill. Yeah. I have 1 hour. Are you full? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, you're full. Good. Good kitty. Ate all your dinner, had your dessert. Okay, now, usually, when she gets done, when she's really completely done, she'll crawl up on my lap and lounge around for a few minutes and then fall asleep. And usually I get tired of sitting here. Oh, now it's gonna rain more. And I'll, oh shit. Yeah. Oh, Quill, I have to take the umbrella over here, because I don't want to get wet. There, we'll put it like that. We can all go under the umbrella, yeah, you and me together, yeah. This would be like our little home. This is our camp, this is our fort. Yeah. Just for you and me. Yeah. It's our little fort. Yeah, okay. Okay, come on. Take a snooze. Yeah, what a good kitty. What a good kitty you are. Really, you're a good one. Really, you're kind of semi-lucky. Yeah, you have a provider. Yeah. Okay. She loves to be under umbrellas. She just loves it. She understands completely exactly what they're for, what they can do, and she will seek them out and just stay underneath them. really, really smart. Some cats, you know, they'll come along and they, by happenstance, they'll end up under your umbrella and they're like, oh, the rain stopped. You know, but they don't figure out why it stopped. And they'll wander out and they'll go sit in the rain a foot away. And they'll think, oh, this sucks. But it only sucks because they moved. There was a big bully cat that lived under this big round red thing here. And it was his home. It's huge. It's like hollow underneath and it's huge. And he chased all the other cats out of it. And I see lately, just the last month or two, all the cats are spending more and more time in there. So I'm thinking he's gone. Maybe he died or something. And the other cats have reclaimed it. So it's perfect. It's a perfect shelter for him. Yeah, it's raining, Quill. But we got us a fort. We're in the fort. Yeah, I know. It's a good fort. Pretty good fort, yeah. Yes, I know. It's a good one. Just you and me. Yeah. See, there you go. That's her routine. Oh, no, she can fit a few more in. God. What the hell am I doing? Oh, Quill, you farted a lot. Oh my God. Oh, Quill, that's really bad. Good thing there's no open flames around here. Oh my God. What the hell have you been eating? Oh, Quill. Oh God, I'm gagging up. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah. That's your shelter, yeah. For now, for a minute. Well, actually, I gotta do something for an hour. Oh, maybe not today. My friend's bringing the serval cat today. But if it's raining, he won't. So, I'm not sure. It doesn't look like there's a lot of rain up there in the clouds, but... Yeah, what do you want? I don't have any more salmon. No, it's gone. All the salmon's gone. Yeah, and they don't have the squid anymore. I don't know why. I think you ate it all. Limited supply. Yeah. Yes, I love you too. Yes, I really do. Unfortunately, it caused me a lot of misery over here in the damn typhoon trying to give you food. Jeez. Yeah. Yeah, a little bit. I don't know. It could rain. Could rain for a little while. Not sure. My friend brings the serval cat here to High Street. He got it from a zoo at 4 months, and it should have been socialized with people during that 4 months, and it wasn't. And so it's just a teeny bit on the wild side, and he's trying to socialize it for people. So every weekend he brings it to a place where there's a lot of people. And it helps a lot. I've watched a lot of progress in that cat over the months. And that really has helped it calm down and stop worrying so much. But he's got a long way to go. Here, Chloe, you gotta go more under the umbrella. Come a little bit, there you go. Okay. Okay. You have to be under the umbrella or the rain will get you. Yeah. Yeah, make you soaking wet. Okay, there you go. It's alright. I wish you could live in my condo. We'd be very happy together. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're being filmed. Yeah. Got your permission? Philippines, I'm surprised you don't have to get written permission from the cats to film them. You gotta get written permission to film anything else. Film the sky, film the grass. You gotta get written permission. Jesus, what an anal retentive society this is. I'm really, really, really not happy here. Get out of BGC, it's better. Quite a bit more relaxed, but it's still an anal retentive society. It's not a relaxed society at all. When she was little, she would just climb right up on my lap and sleep as long as I would let her. And now she's big and fat, and she just can't get comfortable. She tries, she squirms around trying to get comfortable, and it just doesn't work. Well, not on the camera here. Okay, there, that's a good spot for you, yeah. That's a pretty good spot. Yeah, that works out. Okay. Oh, it's really gonna come down now. Really gonna dump. There, that's a good little kitty. Okay, yeah. There, now we are very snuggly. Yeah. Sitting in the rain. Oh no, this oh shit, my drone stuff's getting wet. God dang it. Okay. Shit. I don't think this is going to work out, Quill. My electronics are going to get wet in there. Yeah, I know I'm disturbing you. I know, I'm sorry. I know. What a snuggly, loving cat. It's kind of rare. See, parts of me are getting wet here, Quill. I know you're in the center of the umbrella and you're just doing perfectly fine, but I'm not. I'm getting wet everywhere except my head. I'm afraid you're going to have to go back in your Danny DeVito hole. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I gotta go. This is just too wet. I'm sorry. Okay, I gotta take everything. Okay, bye-bye. I'm sorry, Quill. Shit. Now I feel terrible. She was having a lovely cat moment, and I wrecked it. Hell. Okay, well, I gotta go back and find some cover. I don't think the serval cat's gonna come. Maybe I just... Shit. I'd like to go have coffee, but there's 10 freaking people over there. God dang it. Everything here is crowded. Pretty much all the time, and if you move to BGC, you're gonna find that wears on you. You can't get anywhere, you can't buy anything. Everything is crowded, and everything is loud. And everything is impolite. Shit. Well, is this going to quit or not? Really hard to tell here. It's been doing this off and on all day. Oh, over here it's bright. Which way is that going? I can't tell which way it's moving. It may not last. Of course, BGC cannot see fit to create any kind of a shelter for people. I never can figure that out. I don't understand it.